How to access Google Drive from your mobile device. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to access the Google Drive and all the files and folders, it's quite simple. Then foremost, search for this Google Drive which is automatically installed on your device. You have to now log in with the Google account that you used on your PC to get into your Google Drive. Once you do so, if you reach on the home page, you will see all the files and folders that you have. If you tap on the profile on the top right corner, you can select the account that you want to switch to. Now, in order to share or file, you have to tap on the three dots, and here are all the options such as share, manage access, and download as well. In order to create a new file or folder, you can tap on this plus icon written as new. After that, you can create a folder, upload a folder, scan it, and name it as well. After that, you can follow the same step as your PC, which is to share. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching. Also, if you have got any questions, do not hesitate to drop on the comment section.